channel is for students of electrical engineering and electronic engineering and control engineering. The wisdom behind it is to provide tutorials in DC circuits, AC circuits, and electronics, tutorials on electronics for students who study macro and micro electronic circuits. Some of the stuff that we're going to talk about, starting with the basics. As you can see, we have a DC circuit, we have a number of resistors, components, R1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's a simple combination of parallel and series circuits. So it's a circuit in series and parallel. And the question is, you need to find RT, so R subscript T, or the total circuit resistance. So so there is a technique for doing that. I would like to welcome students of a number of universities in Tbilisi, including students of the University of Ivano Javachishvili. So please comment and subscribe. Also students of Georgia Technical University, students of Ilya State University, please comment and subscribe. Tbilisi State Medical University, and engineering students in that university as well, and the International Black Sea University students, please comment and subscribe. Students of Sukhumi State University, comment and subscribe please. And last but not least, student of the Caucasus University. I would very well hope to meet some of you in different videos as the channel progresses and I upload more videos for your benefit. Please comment and subscribe, and don't hesitate to leave any questions you may have in the subject of electrical engineering. Separately, we also have a channel in mechanical engineering and other fields of engineering. To go back to the initial circuit, this one. So how to draw a circuit like that? Obviously, you need a computer program. So I'm going to introduce an application program that simulates electric circuits. For instance, SPICE or Multisim. Okay. So hold on, and I'll bring that presentation up. This is Multisim. In order to build a circuit, we go to place, the menu of place, and then the second or the first item on the menu is components. So just follow the presentation. Components, and then we go to all components. And then resistors, and then we find a 1 kilo ohm resistor. We place it on the panel, and so that's going to be R1 or resistor number 1. We're going to copy and paste that on the panel. So now we have 2 resistors, and then the next thing we need is a power source. So we're going to have a DC power source from the components menu. And then we extend the links between resistors 1 and 2. Before that, we can change the values of the resistors from 1 kilo ohm. We can make this one, the first one, we can make it from 1 kilo ohm, we can make it 6 ohm, let's say, from the menu. So you right click on the resistor and then you change the values of the resistor, and then we do the same thing to the second resistor, R2. Change it from 1 kilo ohm to, let's say, 4 ohms. So it's pretty straightforward on Multisim. And then we connect the resistors R1 and R2. Just follow that through. Extend the line here to the left, line to the right. So you run a line from R1 to R2. And then from R2 to the positive pole of the battery, and then we go on the other side, and then we just run a line, and then we complete the circuit all the way to the negative channel, the negative pole of the battery. And then we try to, the next thing we try to do, we try to run a simulation, run the circuit. Oops, the simulation fails. There is an error message. It's not very clear, but we'll try to blow that up. There is an error, so we will find out why in a second. Okay, welcome again. So this was where we left it when we were building the circuit on Multisim. So we have an error. It's going to come up in a second. So you're looking at it now. It's a bit small to see, but if we zoom in on the error, now it's in red. We can actually read out why the circuit simulation fails after we have built it. So now let's read the message now. So the message says, warning, no ground node was found on your circuit. To ensure accurate simulation, add a ground component and simulate again. So basically what was missing from this almost perfect circuit was the lack of a ground. We didn't ground the circuit, so that's why it didn't work, because it was a hanging circuit. So obviously it wouldn't work. You have to ground it. So the conclusion is, even for a very simple circuit, when you build it, you have to troubleshoot. So troubleshooting is an important skill in when you're starting electrical engineering. I hope that video was of some use to you. Obviously this is just early basics, but in the upcoming videos we are going to speak about actual circuit analysis and techniques for solving different current and resistor and voltages around the circuit. Okay, and I will see you in the next video.